This motorhome is the Ahorn Canada AE, 747 centimeters in length, 306 centimeters in height, 234 in width. And having a look at it here, see there's an overcab, 2 people can sleep up there, but as we come in, if we want the lights on, we can just turn this and that should put the lights on, although when it's this bright the lights are not really necessary. So storage all the way around. We have a kitchen with 3 burners and a large sensible square shaped sink with a domestic plug. Under that there is storage, and this can be locked via a central locking system, which I think is pretty clever. On the other side we find fridge and a freezer. So if we come through here, we find that there is what I term a German layout. That is to say 2 single beds which can be joined together to make an enormous big bed. Under them we've got storage on either side, and through here we have access to the garage, which is quite large. Above the bed there is storage and lights on either side. There's a window in each side of the vehicle, as well as being one in the roof as well. If I come to the back, or rather middle bit, there's a shower here, which is quite large. And on the other side we find a toilet with a sink and an angled mirror, as well as a normal mirror, all closed off by a sliding door. At the front, in this part in the alcove, there is 1 mirror, and it comes with a net to stop you falling out of bed. So a vehicle like this, you're looking around 70,000 euros approximately. Depends on how it's going to be kitted out, but that's the approximate price. Now, I said I'd do that in under 3 minutes. I've done so, and so thanks so much for watching. There is a longer video with a link to the longer video is below, and there should be some more information in the description.